The yarn I'm using in this tutorial and for the blanket you see in the photos is Wonder Fluff Ombre, which is a bulky weight, a size J 6mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, and some scissors. For this pattern, you need to chain a multiple of 3. For this tutorial, I have chained 33, but of course you can chain any multiple of 3 that you like. So we're going to skip the first 2 chains, which will count as a single crochet, and in the next chain, single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And that's going to be our pattern going forward. We're working in the same chain. The single, chain 1, double went in the same chain. Now skip 2. And then this next chain, single, chain 1, and double crochet, all in the same chain. And we're going to continue this down further. Skip 2, and then work that single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Repeat this all the way down, however large your blanket's going to be, skipping 2, and then single, chain, double, till you get down to the last 3 stitches. All right, I'm down to the last 3 chains, and we're just going to single crochet in this very last one. So we skip those 2, and work your hook in the last one, and work a single crochet. And that ends out our first row, as you can see here with our texture already begun. So for row 2, which is going to be the row we repeat over and over, you're going to chain 1, and then find that very first single crochet, and single crochet in the first single crochet. Now we're going to work that single, chain 1, double again, but it's going to go in this chain space. You can see it right here in between our double and single crochets from the row below. Single, chain 1, and double. Then look for the next, here we're going to skip these 2 stitches and work for that chain space right here in the middle. We're going to single crochet, chain 1, double crochet. My yarn's getting tight, huh? Sorry about that. There we go, double crochet. And just keep working that in every chain space, single, double, chain 1, double. So single, chain 1, and double crochet. And this just goes for every single chain 1 space all the way down to the end. And then when you get to that last one, I'll show you how to end it. Okay, here we are down to our last little chain 1 space here. So I'm going to single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And the only difference in this very first row is that that chain 2 right here at the end counted as a single crochet. So we're going to have to work into the chain. On the subsequent rows, you'll just work into the first single crochet like we started this row. So I'm going to work my hook in here to the chain, single crochet, and now I have a single to work into on the next row. So you just repeat row 2 over and over, and now you can see I have my single here. So I'm going to chain 1, and I'll work it exactly the same. Single crochet in the first single, look for that chain 1 space, single, chain 1, double crochet, and you repeat it all the way across, ending with a single crochet in the end of a single crochet. So it's a super simple pattern. I love the wattle stitch because it has such texture, but it's really simple for even beginners, and you can do it while watching TV and stuff. So work that single crochet here at the end, and you'll have a great texture pattern, and you just keep completing that row as many times as you want to until you get the length that you desire. If you're interested in making this wattle stitch blanket that I designed, I'll leave a link to the blog post below in the description.